Hey everyone, I'll be showing you how to animate images using Leai Pix and Genmo AI. Today, we are starting a cool journey into making pictures move and turn them into awesome videos, all thanks to the amazing power of artificial intelligence. In this video, I am excited to show you how to use high-tech tools like Leai Pix and Genmo AI. These tools are not just regular tools. They are like magic doors that help you unlock your creativity, letting you bring static pictures to life through animation. As we go through the tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to use Leai Pix and Genmo AI. These tools are not just for making videos. They help you explore and show your creativity in new and cool ways. By the end of this journey, you will know how to use these tools to make your artistic ideas come alive. But before we get into all the fun stuff, it is important to know what to expect. While these AI tools are super cool, they might not make perfect videos every time. Think of them as powerful toys that let you try out new things in the world of digital art. So, if you're excited to start this creative adventure and learn about the awesome mix of artificial intelligence and visual storytelling, come with me as we jump into the interesting world of making pictures move. But before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are in the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. Let's get started. Now, as we move on to the thrilling part of bringing still pictures to life, let us explore the detailed process. To illustrate and lead you through this fascinating adventure, I will be using different image sources like Google Images, Midjourney Images, and Leonardo Images. I have chosen these images deliberately to highlight the flexibility of the techniques I'll be demonstrating. The idea is to emphasize that with tools like Leai Pix and Genmo AI, you can animate a wide range of images, not limited to any particular source or style. Embarking on the journey of infusing vitality into our images, let us delve into the extraordinary capabilities that Leai Pix has to offer. As you navigate to the Leai Pix website, you are presented with the exciting opportunity to handpick the photo that you are eager to bring to life through animation. Once you have seamlessly uploaded your chosen image, anticipate a brief moment of anticipation before experiencing the enchantment unfold, witnessing your static picture seamlessly transform into a dynamic and animated creation. Leai Pix stands out prominently due to its user-friendly interface, thoughtfully placing a myriad of customization options conveniently on the right side of the screen. It is at this juncture that the creative adventure truly commences, providing you with the tools to effortlessly fine-tune how your photo comes to life in animation. Immerse yourself in the plethora of animation styles available, ranging from the whimsical circle or wide circle, allowing you to experiment and unleash your creativity freely. Seeking more precision and control? Navigate through the options to adjust the animation's duration and motion intensity. A seamless process achieved by delicately sliding the controls left or right until you attain the desired effect. If you really like being creative, Leai Pix has a special tool just for you. It is called the Advanced Editor, and it comes with extra features. With this tool, you can control how close or far away your picture looks. You can spend as much time as you want playing around with these features until your picture looks exactly the way you want it to. It is like having a magic paintbrush that lets you add all the little details to your animated picture until it is just right. So, take your time and have fun making your picture look exactly how you imagine it. The beauty of Leai Pix lies in its ability to empower users to not only animate their images, but to do so with a level of customization that caters to individual preferences and creative visions. It transforms the process into an interactive and enjoyable experience, making it more than just a tool for animation, but a canvas for artistic expression. So, as you navigate through these intuitive customization options, revel in the freedom to shape your animated creation exactly the way you envision it. After achieving the desired animated result and ensuring your creation looks just the way you want it, the next step is to save your masterpiece. Locate and click on the Export button within Leai Pix interface. It is essential to be aware that each exported video comes at a cost of 50 credits from your balance, so keep an eye on your credit count. However, Leai Pix is considerate of varying preferences and budgets, offering free alternatives to the credit-based exports. Among these options, you can choose MP4 720 pixel, a choice that typically meets the needs of most users. Alternatively, if you require the original size MP4 for a specific purpose, that option is available as well. For a savvy approach to conserving credits, you might consider opting for the MP4 720 pixel format and then selecting the Save option. This choice not only helps you manage your credits more efficiently, but also provides a suitable resolution for various applications. If you have multiple images you are eager to animate, simply repeat the process for each one, ensuring that each creative endeavor is saved in the preferred format while being mindful of your credit usage. This way, you can continue bringing all your images to life without compromising on the quality of your animated creations. Now, let us delve into the functionalities of Genmo AI, an exciting tool that offers a myriad of features for animating your images. To initiate the animation process with Genmo, begin by clicking on the Animate option, signaling that you are ready to explore the diverse capabilities this tool has to offer. This simple step sets you on the right path to breathe life into your image. Once you have entered the animation interface, the process unfolds with remarkable ease. Begin by uploading your chosen image, and right from the initial frame, Genmo AI will commence the animation process. Here is where it gets interesting. You get to guide how subsequent frames appear by providing a description in the caption. Whether you choose to color over specific backgrounds and objects for animation or prefer Genmo to animate the entire frame, the choice is yours, adding a layer of creative freedom to the process. As you scroll down within the Genmo AI interface, you will discover a range of customization options that allow you to fine-tune your animation to your liking. This includes settings for video length, exploration, dynamism, smoothness, and more. You even have the opportunity to include a caption that complements the narrative of your animated creation. For instance, if you want to convey a scene or frame, you can input a caption like "It is raining." To add your personal touch, utilize the brush tool available in Genmo AI. This allows you to style the animation according to your preferences by applying the brush over specific areas you wish to animate. Take your time to craft the visual elements of your animated masterpiece until it aligns perfectly with your creative vision. Once you are satisfied with the customized settings and the animated preview look just right, proceed to click on the Make Video button. Genmo AI not only simplifies the animation process, but also grants you the tools and flexibility to infuse your images with a unique and personalized touch. By navigating through the various customization options and utilizing the brush tool, you can bring your creative ideas to life in a visually captivating manner. So, go ahead, explore the possibilities, and click on Make Video to witness the transformation of your static image into a dynamic and animated creation. While we anticipate the exciting finalization of our animated image through Genmo, it is essential to note that the tool's free usage is subject to specific credit limits. In essence, these credits act as your currency for content creation within the Genmo platform. Fortunately, keeping track of your credit balance is a straightforward process, conveniently located in the corner of the interface. This feature provides you with a transparent and real-time understanding of your resource utilization as you immerse yourself in various creative projects. Understanding the credit limits ensures that you can make informed decisions about your usage and tailor your creative endeavors accordingly. It serves as a helpful gauge, allowing you to balance your creative exploration with the available credits. This transparency not only promotes responsible usage, but also empowers you to maximize your creative potential within the constraints of the free usage model. So, as you eagerly await the culmination of your animated masterpiece, take a moment to glance at your credit balance, ensuring that you are well equipped to continue exploring the transformative capabilities of Genmo while managing your credits judiciously. This way, you can seamlessly integrate creativity with resource awareness, making the most of the innovative opportunities Genmo has to offer. In conclusion, both Leai Pix and Genmo AI are truly impressive platforms that offer a range of exciting features for image-to-video content creation. The fact that these tools provide free access within certain limitations adds significant value for users looking to explore their creative potential without any immediate financial commitment. It is worth highlighting the ongoing evolution of these platforms as the development teams actively work on continuous updates to enhance the overall user experience. This commitment to improvement suggests a promising trajectory for the tools, with anticipated enhancements in terms of speed, efficiency, and possibly even expanded functionalities This dynamic aspect reflects a dedication to staying at the forefront of technology and catering to the evolving needs of content creators. The prospect of forthcoming updates not only indicates a commitment to refining existing features, but also opens the door to the introduction of new and innovative capabilities. This continuous innovation positions Leai Pix and Genmo AI as dynamic and forward-thinking solutions for individuals interested in pushing the boundaries of image animation and video creation. As these tools continue to mature, users can look forward to a more seamless and enriched creative process. The promise of increased speed and efficiency suggests a future where image-to-video content creation becomes even more accessible and enjoyable. Therefore, for those intrigued by the prospect of transforming static images into captivating videos, Leai Pix and Genmo AI remain promising options, with their evolving nature ensuring a continued and exciting journey into the realm of digital creativity. I am excited to hear about your experience. How did it go when you turned your images into animations? Was it easy and fun? Or did you face some challenges? What do you think about the final animated result? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and take us on a little journey through your unique creative process. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helped you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.